What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Andre Dior, the king of all of the madness, and if this is your first time ever seeing my face, go ahead and do me a favor and press the subscribe button right now because we're bougie and we always have a really good time. And join my gang, Andre Army, because it's free and we would love to have new siblings, period. So today's video is sponsored by Heartbreaker Gummies. So they actually emailed me, reached out to me, and they said, hey, do you want to review products that actually work and that are not, you know, just like saying that you use them, you actually don't. So I've actually been using these products, which is called Heartbreaker Gummies, that promote hair growth, and everything's all natural, and it's made with biotin, folic acid, and also vitamin A. And the main concerns for Heartbreaker Gummies are to promote hair, skin, and nail growth. So I recently started growing my hair back because, as you guys know, if I'm not in a do-rag or a hat, as y'all can see through my Instagram, you know, the waves is always on swim, the haircut is always snatched, but I'm like, I've had waves now for about 3 years and I'm kind of over it. If you guys actually keep up with me on social media, then you may already know that I had the whole Odell Beckham Jr. hair, the curls, the different crazy colors, the man buns. Like, I've done all of those and I actually really do miss my hair. So I have actually been taking Heartbreaker Gummies. Like, you take one a day. So basically they're like gummies. And it's candy, so it's basically like strawberry gummy bears that's shaped like a heart. And you just eat one. It's actually really good. So the fact that I haven't finished the bottle, and I'm actually literally taking one a day, I'm proud of myself. Like, they taste like Gushers. Like, it tastes like whatever your favorite gummy candy is, like Haribo gummy bears, so whatever. These aren't gross. So I am actually halfway through my jar. So Heartbreaker Gummies is actually soy-free, cruelty-free, and also gluten-free. And everything is plant-based. So yeah, I am so happy that I actually chose to work with you guys. It's actually working, and now I'm going to show you guys my hair growth. Normally for me, my ethnicity, I'm black. I'm Jamaican, Chinese, and Indian. So normally when I do get a haircut, it's already grown back after the second week, because I'll get a haircut every 3 weeks, every 4 weeks, depending on if I'm lazy. So I am going to show you guys right now. I wash my hair, I brush it. If you're born, you know about wolfing. Wolfing is when you wait to get a haircut and your hair grows really bad, but you still brush your hair, you wash it, and then you wrap it in a do-rag. So I am about to get a pick and comb out my hair and show you guys how I don't even have waves anymore. Like, I literally have like a baby afro, but you're gonna see all of the hair growth that Heartbreaker Gummies actually helped me grow. Alright, so right now, please do not drag me in these comments. I have a whole haircut appointment tomorrow, and yeah. So I'm gonna take my Supreme headband off. I don't even have a hairline. My shit turned into a circle. Got my pick, and what I'm gonna do is comb and mess up all my waves and show you guys all of the hair growth that Heartbreaker Gummies has contributed. Granted, my hair grows fast, but Heartbreaker Gummies, 1 month, has been growing tremendously. And if you're wondering right now, the sides are short because when I get a haircut, I naturally get a fade. I'll put a picture of how my haircut normally looks when I get it. But now, so just focus on the top, not the sides, because I always get my sides and my backs shaved. But look at all of the hair, you guys, on the top of my head. I know it looks snappy and crazy because it was all brushed out into waves. You can even see my new growth, like right here. Like, this is literally crazy. So the $1 million question of the day is, does Heartbreaker Gummies work? Hell yeah. Like, look at my hair, you guys. Let me put this on because I'm looking, you know, a little rough. But you can still see it through the headband. all of this hair growth through Heartbreaker Gummies. No scam, no lie. I actually use this product, you guys. So if you're thinking about, you know, you need edges or hair growth or just an assistant, or you need help in speeding up your hair growth journey, I definitely am recommending you guys to go over to Heartbreaker Gummies Instagram and also check out heartbreakergummies.com and use my code glittering and you will get 20% off. And it's pretty affordable. It's not expensive at all. And I'm gonna check back in with you guys on my hair growth in October. I would say September, but it's right there. So in October, I'm gonna do a 4-month update hair growth journey video, and you guys will see how much hair I've grown from using Heartbreaker Gummies. And does it work? Hell yeah. Like, normally I don't promote stuff if it doesn't work, but it definitely works. Definitely get your hands and check out Heartbreaker Gummies, you guys. You won't be disappointed. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm back with the jump off. I just had technical issues and I'm trying to get my production quality to be the highest freaking quality that there is. Like, I'm stepping up camera, lighting, backdrops. You won't be seeing the white for a while soon. And I just want to say I love each and every one of you for subscribing and joining Andre Army, because we're coming. 2020 is our year. And I love you guys for watching, and see you in my next video. And don't forget to follow me on all of my social media. That's it. I'm out of here.